Don't make a mess.
The plane.
I'll show you.
These are so yummy.
It's up a good flight though.
Welcome to London Stansted, where the local time is just approaching 7 o'clock. We do ask that you do remain in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened until we do reach our final parking stand and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. We do ask that you do take one final look in and around your seating area and also in the overhead lockers to make sure you have taken with you all of your belongings and do have your parcels out and ready for parcel control here at London Stansted. Anything we do find on board today as lost property would be handed off to London Stansted Airport. You would need to contact them if you do wish to claim any lost property from today's flight. We do wish to remind you that there is no smoking or vaping in and around the aircraft or in the terminal. We do hope you have had a very pleasant flight with us today. On behalf of all of on board Jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays, we do thank you for flying with us today and do wish you a very pleasant onward journey.
Might be better.
Does it hang on my bedtime?
Yes.
Why
Oh, no, it hasn't.
from?
It'll be your bedtime by the time it gets home. But tomorrow night's probably early night because you're back to school on Monday.
Yeah. What are you doing for my wife?
Not again, yeah.
Go shopping?
That's what we do. So I have to watch it tomorrow.
Leave it back in here.
Yeah.
You can.
When is my honey? Is my thing?
Yes.
I like that. I'll just do a cyclist.
Yeah, I know. Let's come eventually, don't we?
Yeah.
We've got good memories from holiday.
Yeah.
Good. Apart from being told off meetings all the time, mate. We won't worry about that, will we? Hey?
Yeah. I was still there.
Yeah, I know.
I was there forever.
It's your first foreign holiday down here.
We'll go for another one.
We'll try to.
Maybe had that drink.
I'm just saying to my dad, so I don't want to leave.
No, I mean the other one. I mean the carton one.
Right. When she's finished talking, you can talk.
I said, I don't want to leave him to just buy me another
Don't want
one.
any.
Just buy me another one.
Mummy,
Just you.
Mummy, I've still got the carton drink.
Yeah, it's not a drink, darling.
It's not a drink, it's poison. Yes, it is. Don't drink it, you'll die.
The carton drink.
No.
So you said that's in the bag, darling.
You're not having a drink. I don't want you needing a wee on the way home.
Oh no. That really hurts my tongue. I need to get
Just be quiet.
I need to wash it away. I need to wash it away, Daddy.